At the bank.
Thank you for waiting. Good morning. Welcome to First City Bank. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well. Thank you. No problem about the wait. I know Fridays are busy here.
You're right. It's always busy on Fridays. How can I help you today?
I'd like to exchange some currency, please.
Of course, I can help with that. Which currency would you like to exchange?
I have US dollars and I need British pounds.
No problem. Are you traveling to the UK soon?
Yes, I'm flying to London next week for a business trip.
That sounds exciting. Let me check today's rates for you.
What's the exchange rate today?
Today's rate is $1 to 0.79 pounds.
Is that a good rate? I heard rates change every day.
Yes, rates change daily. Today's rate is actually a little better than last week.
That's good to hear. And what about euros? I might need some too for a stop in Paris.
The rate for euros is $1 to 0.92 euros.
Okay, that's helpful. I'll exchange for pounds today and maybe euros another time.
Sounds good. Just let us know if you need euros later. How much would you like to exchange?
I'd like to exchange $300.
$300. That will be about 237 pounds.
That sounds good. Let's do that transaction.
Would you like to pay with cash or from your account?
I'll pay with cash today.
Perfect. That makes it quick and easy. I'll process it now.
Thank you.
Before I continue, I need to see your ID, please.
Sure, here's my passport. Is that okay? Or do you need something else?
A passport is perfect for this transaction.
Great. I always keep it with me when I travel.
Thank you. Can you confirm your full name and date of birth?
Yes, Daniel Carter, March 5th, 1990.
Perfect. That matches. Could you also sign here for me?
Of course, here you go.
Thank you for your patience. There is a small fee for this exchange.
How much is the fee?
The fee is $5 for transactions under $500.
And what if I exchange more money next time?
For larger transactions, the fee is a little lower, about 1%.
Good to know for next time. That's fine for today. Please go ahead.
Thank you. I'll complete the exchange now.
Actually, I'd also like to deposit some money into my account.
No problem. How much would you like to deposit?
I'd like to deposit $100.
Sure. Is this into your checking account or your savings account?
Into my checking account, please.
Got it. Do you also need to withdraw any cash today?
No, I don't need to withdraw anything. Can you tell me my balance?
Of course. Let me check that for you. Your new balance is $2,450.
That's great. Thank you. While I'm here, can I ask about your bank hours?
of course. We're open Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, and Saturday mornings too.
That's helpful. Thank you. And is there an ATM here if I need cash later?
Yes, there's an ATM right by the entrance, available 24 hours a day.
Perfect. Good to know.
Before you go, would you like information about our online banking app?
Actually, yes. That would be helpful for checking my balance when I travel.
Great. I'll email you the sign-up link right now.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It makes checking your balance and transactions easy from your phone.
That will be very convenient for my trip.
Everything is done. Here's your receipt for the exchange and the deposit.
Thank you very much. Should I keep this receipt for my records?
Yes, please keep it in case you need it later.
I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all for today.
Great. Have a wonderful trip to London, Daniel.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Pause the video. Review the vocabulary. Read each word aloud. Then watch the dialogue again.